Well, welcome back to Autumn in Asia, Cambodian style. I'm with my buddy Sam here today, and he's going to show me a company. That's Sam.
Yeah. Okay.
He's going to show me a company that makes. Okay. Well, let me turn this around. You can see they make floor tiles. Check that stuff out. I know, kind of boring. I know, but sources have it that it's all made by hand, polished by hand and everything. Sam's going to show us. So come on, let's go do it. No big machines that you just fill it up with a whole bunch of ingredients and turn it on. Nope. This is all handcrafted. Now we got a little bit of red stuff going in there. Okay, now he's going to put the rest of the, we'll sprinkle it with some stuff, some sprinkly stuff. Exactly how much. Now we got major stuff there, whatever that is. More dirt. Highly calibrated equipment there. Wow, just that easy. That's amazing. Yeah, some of the people even spend the night here. Seen that a lot. Companies will do that. Seen it in Thailand a lot also. Every morning I see the girls come out with a big old bag of this kind of sand and lay it out, apparently to dry. Duh. Sometimes it gets rained on. That looks like some pretty fine sands also. Here we go into the other part. This is where most all the girls work. Nope, there's the boss. Oh, I didn't know this place was that big. Look at all this tiles all ready to go. All wrapped up. And very beautiful stuff too. Look at that. Wow. And back here they do something else. Let's find out what they're doing. Okay, this is going to be, I've already seen the end product. This one's going to be a very beautiful tile coming up. Okay, she's getting all that stuff ready, putting on the secret sauce. And yeah, all by hand, other than a couple of machines that help them squeeze everything. And there comes the mold. Wow, look at all that pouring she's got to do. Okay, now we got the first color. Oh, how many different colors she has over there. Very meticulously pouring that into the molds. Some more secrets. Oh, right in the middle there, a little spot of blue. Okay, getting it all settled down. That's what the backhand's going to look like that nobody's ever going to see anymore. Got the special sand here. Do a little bit of a sprinkle on there without interrupting that bottom pattern there. Ooh, and a little bit of that tough stuff. And just have the clay. I guess that's a clay. Oh, there we got precision instrument again. Oh, she just throws it right on in there. She knows where it's at. Putting the top part of the mold on. This is amazing. I'm going to do a little bit of a squeeze here. Wow. Okay. Now check this out. This is going to be, you're going to be surprised. Just got to clean that off first. Okay, let's go and get that grease. Grease the pan so the cookies don't stick. And now here we go. This is going to be amazing. Carefully separating it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow, that's really beautiful. Yep, mostly all done by hand. He's got one of the old timers with the little universe spinny thingy there. Oh, he's making a really nice pattern too. Let's check out this pattern when he pulls it off. Oh, wow, look at that. Very good, Akun. Holy moly. Wow. Okay, let's see what else we can find. A whole bunch of stacked up. I see trucks coming in and out almost every day. That flatbed, I'll show you the flatbed on the way out. Okay, well, thank you very much, Sam.
Okay, thank you.
Alrighty. Looks like we're sanding the edges here, get off any of the burns. Long, tedious work there. Who wants to be on YouTube? You want to be on YouTube? Okay. Now let me get through here. Yeah, afterwards they let it sit in the water for a while. And then they bring them over here. And these girls give it a quick polish, get off all the dirt, and make them look pretty. Okay, look at that. Look at this nice. Have fun, girls. Thank you. So there's that flatbed I was telling you about. I see it come out of here just about every day, loaded up with bricks. Heading out somewhere to make something out of bricks. Oh, there's the boss. I see her every day, every morning. I go buy something from the store. And the boss is home right here at the factory. Pretty cool, I thought. And well, that's how they make tiles by hand-ish. Well, some of it wasn't. I thought they were going to be like having to polish them a little bit more or something, but apparently not. But I enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. And you know what? If you're still here, you're my #1 fans. Have a great day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.